In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the primary font on your Big Cartel shop to give your online store that unique personal touch. This process is simple and only takes a few minutes, but it can make a big difference in how your shop feels to your customers, enhancing their shopping experience and making your brand stand out. Let's get started by navigating to the Big Cartel dashboard. When you first log in, you'll see your dashboard, which acts as the central hub for managing your store. From here, we're going to make our way to the Account section. You can find the Account option right at the top of the screen, so go ahead and click on that. Once you've clicked into your account, you'll need to scroll down a bit to find the Shop Design section. This is where the magic happens, as it allows you to personalize the aesthetic elements of your online store to match your brand's personality. Within this section, you'll see a button called Go to Shop Designer. Give that a click. The Shop Designer is a powerful tool in Big Cartel's arsenal, providing you with a live preview of changes as you make them. This way, you know exactly how your adjustments will look before committing to them, which is incredibly handy. Now that we're in the Shop Designer area, direct your attention to the top left corner where you'll see Settings. Clicking this will open up a menu filled with all sorts of customization options for your shop. Don't be overwhelmed. Today, we're focusing specifically on changing the primary font. This is an essential part of branding because the font is more than just how your letters look. It gives your customers subliminal cues about the tone and style of your brand. So it's important to pick something that aligns with your brand identity. Within the settings, look for the option labeled Primary Font. Once you identify it, give it a click. You'll be presented with a range of font options. Here's where you get to have some fun. Browse through the list and choose a font that you feel best represents your store's vibe. Remember to consider readability along with style to ensure your text remains accessible to all visitors. After making your selection, you can see a preview of how it fits with the rest of your shop's design. If it feels right and you're satisfied with your choice, then congratulations. You've successfully customized your shop's primary font. That's it. With a few simple steps, you've managed to give your Big Cartel shop a fresh new look that perfectly encapsulates your brand's unique flair. Making small tweaks like this can drastically improve the overall customer experience, so take advantage of these tools to continuously refine your shop's aesthetic. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing!